Hi there! Today we show you how to customize and explore the color preset feature using WP Dark Mode. So head over to settings of the WP Dark Mode and under the color settings option, enable the option that says want to use color presets. You can now select from any of these predefined dark mode presets and hit save. Now if you go to your site to enable the dark mode, you will see that the color changes according to the preset you had set before. Let's select another preset and save the change. If you enable the dark mode, you will see the color changes to the preset color you selected. For custom colors, just enable the option for custom colors. Set the background color, text color, and a link color before saving the changes. When you enable the dark mode button, the color will instantly change according to your preferences. And that's it! If you like the color preset feature, download WP Dark Mode now and start using for free, or contact us at support@wppool.dev.